Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make McDonald's-style apple pie using an easy method. Get ready to recreate that beloved crispy, golden crust and warm, sweet apple filling right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the simple ingredients to achieving that perfect fried finish. This recipe is designed for home cooks who want to enjoy a nostalgic treat without any fuss, bringing a taste of your favorite fast food dessert home. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients for this delightful apple pie. You will need 2 sheets of pre-made puff pastry, which makes the crust incredibly easy. For the delicious filling, prepare 6 medium apples peeled and diced. You'll also need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A small pinch of nutmeg and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch will complete your filling ingredients, ensuring a perfectly thickened apple mixture. Now let's cook our apple filling to perfection. In a saucepan, combine your diced apples with the butter, sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Cook this mixture over medium heat until the apples are tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Then stir in your cornstarch slurry to thicken the filling. Once cooled slightly, cut your puff pastry sheets into rectangles, approximately 4 inches by 6 inches. Place a generous spoonful of the apple mixture onto 1/2 of each pastry rectangle. Then fold the other half over and crimp the edges securely with a fork. The final step is frying, which gives these pies their signature crispy texture. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your assembled pies into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, remove them and let them drain on a wire rack to shed any excess oil. Serve your warm, delicious homemade apple pies immediately, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.